Thank you, we have lost both engines.
Second. What did you say?
We lost both engines.
Where are you?
South of field.
Did you really?
What?
What? Did you, are you guys here? South of the field. We're going to clear approach and get fire trucks? You guys up? 25?
SoCal approach Bonanza 4853 Juliet.
Bonanza 4853 Juliet, NorCal approach.
Heard another aircraft on frequency may have had some engine failures and end up in a field. Do you have a 7946 Charlie on your radar?
I do, for November 53 Juliet, I do not have that call sign on my radar. So give me the call sign, or yeah, give me the call sign again one more time. November 7946 Charlie, NorCal approach.
Called me on tower frequency there. I'm going to hop off and come right back to you. I'm going to try reaching them again on Unicom.
November 46, thank you. And if you do, just come back to the frequency, let me know what's going on.
Will do.
Approach 526, I don't know if it's related, but I'm picking up a faint ELT.
526, yeah, we're getting that checked out right now. It appears, I just got a report from another aircraft that someone had an engine failure, so we're trying to figure it out.
Yeah, copy that. If we can do anything, let us know.
NorCal approach, it's Bonanza 4853 Juliet again. My current position, there's a B-25 missile that just landed in a field.
And number 53 Juliet, number 4853 Juliet. Roger, just stand by and squawk 5313, ident, maintain VFR.
5313 will ident and will maintain VFR. We're identing right now. Looks like they're okay, there's no fire or anything. I think it's on, it's gear up.
Number 53 Juliet, ready to contact about 4 miles to the east, approximately west of Stockton, altimeter 2986. And just stand by while I get some information from you. You said it's a Bonanza that is landed gear up in a field?
It's a B-25 Mitchell 2-engine World War II bomber.
Number 53 Juliet, the code is 5313, 5313, please, thank you.
Position here, are you able to get emergency services to them?
No, 53 Juliet, we're working on that right now.
Okay, because I'm with them, I'm part of their crew, so shortly I'll probably hit the Stockton and see if I can get a car.
Number 53 Juliet, Roger, just stand by, give me a couple seconds and I'll let you go as soon as I can.
Let me see if I can bring up my my map on my phone, get an address for you. Yeah, it looks like West Mueller Road and Will Hoyt Road.
You said West Mueller Road and Will Hoyt? And number 53 Juliet, how many souls on board?
3.
Of the aircraft on the ground? Calling emergency services right now. Do you want to stay with me, or do you want to go ahead and just continue in the Stockton so that you can get on their way to them?
I'll go to Stockton.
November 53 Juliet, Roger, radar service terminal slot VFR case drive 60 is approved, and thank you for the report.
And approach, I'm on the phone with them at the B-25. They are injured.
53 Juliet, Roger, and how many people are injured?
2.
Number 53 Juliet, Roger, just remain the frequency for now, please. And you can just, with any information that they give you, you can get the please, and we'll let emergency services know.
Okay, 53 Juliet Charlie, there's a police officer there. He is west of the airplane by about 300 yards.
Number 53 Juliet, Roger. 124 Papa Sierra, NorCal.
53 Juliet Charlie, I don't know, are you in touch with emergency services? Okay, yeah, they're still about 200 yards short. Need to head east.
And 53 Juliet, you're over them right now, correct?
Directly over them right now, yep.
Roger. And Julie, it's okay to say we're calling the emergency services now just to make sure that they can locate them, and they are aware that, or we're going to let them know that there are people injured on the ground.
I think you're sorry. They're now closer to the airplane. They're probably about 100 yards.
Number 5 Julie, and they're continuing towards the aircraft.
Stop now at the edge of the road. It's in a field. Okay, they're walking over to the airplane now. Julie, Charlie's going to head to Stockton.
Number 5-3, I'm sorry, what's your call sign again? Is number 5 Julie, you said you're going to go to Stockton now?
Correct.
Number 5 Julie, Roger, ready to serve coming Squawk VFR, frequency change first. Thank you for your help.
Okay, we'll Squawk VFR, thank you. Atlantic Aviation, are you on frequency?
Yes, you are. Go for Atlantic.
It's a Bonanza 4853 Juliet. I'm coming in. My wingman aircraft is crashed in the field. I'm going to land pull up to the FBO and I'm going to see if I can get a crew car or a rental car immediately. The traffic Bonanza is short center in the runway ground.
Approach 526, request operation 3,500.
526, Stockton up, or Boston, I'll see your discretion.
526, Roger. We might be heading up towards Sacramento.
526, Roger, and we do have the report of the ELC that's going to be that downed aircraft to your south.
526, Roger.